Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone relying on their neat receipts scanner, the Aprelco USB cable cord. This isn't just any cable. It's specifically designed to be compatible with a range of neat desk models, including the NM322, NM346, NM3271, and the NM1000. It's always crucial to double-check your specific device model before making a purchase, ensuring a perfect match for seamless operation. One of the standout features of this Aprelco cable is its robust power input capabilities. It supports a wide voltage range of 100V to 240V at 5060 Hz. This universal compatibility means it's not only suitable for use in various regions globally, but also provides a stable and consistent power supply to your valuable neat scanner, whether you're at home, in the office, or even traveling. This flexibility is a significant advantage, removing any concerns about voltage differences. Beyond just providing power, this cable prioritizes the safety and longevity of your neat scanner. It comes equipped with comprehensive protection features: OVP, OCP, and SCP. For those unfamiliar, OVP stands for Over Voltage Output Protection, which safeguards your device from receiving too much voltage. OCP, or Overcurrent Output Protection, prevents excessive current from damaging the scanner. And SCP, Short Circuit Output Protection, offers crucial defense against short circuits. The fact that these units are tested provides an extra layer of assurance, giving users peace of mind that their scanner is protected from common electrical mishaps. When it comes to construction, Aprelco emphasizes quality. This USB cable cord is described as being made with the highest quality materials, brand new and high quality. This translates into a durable and reliable product that you can trust to maintain a consistent connection and power flow to your scanner. The black color offers a sleek, professional look that blends well with most office setups, and its standard USB connector type ensures a straightforward plug-and-play experience. Ultimately, for neat receipts scanner owners, a reliable power and data cable is non-negotiable. The Aprelco USB cable cord offers a compelling package of broad compatibility, versatile power input, and critical safety protections, all wrapped in a high-quality build. It's designed to keep your neat desk scanner running efficiently and safely, ensuring your important documents continue to be digitized without interruption. If you're in need of a replacement or a spare cable for your compatible neat scanner, this Aprelco offering certainly warrants strong consideration for its blend of performance and protective features.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.